Yo, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another video of Dakota TV. And right now, what we're going to be doing, you all know who Clifford is, right? This character that used to remind me of my childhood. Well, we're going to go hunting for Clifford. And Clifford is known to be in this area where I am right now. You have my dog here. Her name is Sam. So we're going to be looking for Clifford, the red dog, right? A lot of YouTubers made a video about this. Well, the one I knew made it, but I forget his name, but he made a video about Clifford and it was fake, so. Yo, did you hear that? Hello? Hello? Who's in there? Hey, Sam? Sam, if you ever find Clifford, Clifford might eat you alive, okay? I heard that, what if Clifford chases me and he chases after me and then he bites my head off? Like, oh my gosh. We don't want that to happen, right? Because it's almost Christmas and we don't want to get murdered at Christmas time, so. Yeah. Clifford! You here, buddy? Hello, Clifford. Clifford, are you here, bro? You here, buddy? Guys, I don't know. I thought I heard Clifford barking earlier. Hello? Is there anybody in there? Oh my goodness. Hello? Sam. Hey. Listen. Do you hear that? Yo. Yo, do you hear that? Oh my goodness. Sam, we have to get out of here. Oh, Clifford, what are you doing? Sam, get out. Oh my gosh. Yo. Okay, I gotta get out of here. I gotta get out of here right now. I gotta get the HELL out of here. Sam, get away. Clifford's right there. Oh my gosh.